Uqubuka umsindo e-University ngesikhathi abafundi bebhikisha ngenxa yokungavunyelwa ukuthi babhalise njengoba bekweleta isikhungo semfundo ephakeme. Abafundi bebehlangene bezolalela inkulumo kaMengameli wesikhungo esimele abafundi. Kodwa u-Aphiwe Mnyamane ukhishwe ngendluzula kulesikhungo.
The charges are charges of trespassing. And in regards to trespassing, Aphiwe was commanded by a student, as voted for by students, to say, Comrade President, we voted for you and we want you on campus. We do not want to be led by anyone else but you. And this president was elected by who? By students, not management. So management has no legal footing to authoritate a suspension letter against Aphiwe.
Lenyuvesi isalumnyamani ngokwephula imigomo yokumiswa kwakhe ngokungena ngemoto ebishayela omunye umuntu.
The Vice-Chancellor was very willing to meet with the Premier. In fact, they had a lunch meeting scheduled for today. Unfortunately, the Premier cancelled the lunch meeting, the one-on-one meeting, and because he had to be in Westbury and he also had some engagement with the Minister which was running late.
Kusenjalo, umnyamani uthi ukumiswa kwakhe ngenye yezindlela zokuzama ukumsabisa.
On Saturday, there was an agreement. It was before I was suspended. Actually, I was expecting the suspension. I was told by campus security that your suspension is coming, your suspension is coming. And I said to them, I would gladly receive the suspension, but I won't retreat because of the suspension. And the grounds of the suspension are null and void. Our lawyers will speak with that. So currently, right now, students are being evicted.
iWits umhlangano phakathi kukandunankulu waseGauteng uPanyaza Lesufi kanoshansela welenyuvesi uZebulon Vilakazi uhlehlisiwe. uLesufi wazama ukungenelela ukuze kutholakale isisombululo.